Are you getting Firefox error on Roku? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Test the Roku device with another display. Firefox on Roku is a small application that allows users to play videos from Firefox web browsers on their phones, tablets, and other devices on their Roku. The app contents to Firefox web browsers allows users to push videos to their Roku, play them, and cache them for later viewing. While you get issues with Firefox on Roku, try plugging in the Roku device to another display or TV to see if you are experiencing the same playback issue you are currently seeing. If the issue persists, then go to the next solutions. Method 2. Check your internet connection. You need a stable internet connection to stream Firefox on Roku. See if other devices like phones, laptops can connect to your Wi-Fi. This helps confirm if the problem lies with the Roku or your overall network. You can check the internet speed on your PC or phone by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is slow, you can contact your service provider to fix the issue. Method 3. Restart the router or modem. Next, you can power cycle the router or modem. To do that, disconnect the router or modem from the power outlet. Wait at least for a couple of minutes. Then turn on the router or modem and check if this could fix the issue. Method 4. Restart your Roku. A simple reboot can often resolve temporary glitches. Unplug your Roku, wait a few seconds, and then plug it back in. Press the home button on Roku remote and scroll to settings. Select System. Select Power. If you do not see a Power sub-menu, skip to the next step. Select System Restart. Once the system restarts, check if this could fix the issue. Method 5. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection. You can also reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection. Go to Roku settings, then go to Network. Then set up connection. Next, select Wireless. Wait till the scan completes. Select your network and enter the password correctly when prompted. Once done, select Connect to proceed. Method 6. Update the app. Next, you can update the app. To do that, press the Home button on your Roku remote. Then press the right directional button. Next, highlight the channel you want to update. Here we are taking up this channel for example. Then press the star button on your remote. Next, select Check for updates and then wait for the app to update. Finally, press OK. Method 7. Update Roku device. Ensure your Roku device is running the latest firmware. To update the firmware, go to Settings, then select System. Then select Software Update. If updates are available, install them. Method 8. Clear your cache and data. From the home screen, press the Home button on the remote 5 times, then press the up arrow button. Now, press the Rewind button twice and then press the Fast Forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 9. Delete and reinstall the app or channel. The next thing you can do is uninstall and then reinstall the Firefox app. Here are the steps to reinstall an app or channel on Roku. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel you want to uninstall. Here we are selecting this channel for example. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now go to the Roku home screen, select streaming channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it, and you shouldn't get the error. And there you have it, the way to fix Firefox error on Roku. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.